Addepar is a global tech and data platform for the wealth and investment management ecosystem. We model over $8 trillion in investments and portfolios on the Addepar platform for our clients across the world. There's a lot of hype around AI these days, and a lot of that ends up being projects done with AI that don't really yield meaningful results. I think that's a key differentiator, is that you really want to deliver something that's valuable, which means you're attacking either the bottom line or the top line. Addison is our embedded AI partner within our platform, and it's very different than a chatbot. It ultimately is used by our clients to deliver answers to questions and push insights. So it needs to have the intelligence of its data. So the Databricks platform and the ability to use notebooks and share data and use Unity Catalog, we suddenly had the ability to work on data, even on code and SQL and all these different technologies in the same place. That's been really powerful because now we're not only sharing knowledge, we're also sharing data. It extends to AI. We've been cloud native from the beginning. When we were looking for a partner to help us build a data platform, it was natural for us to look at Databricks because it runs on AWS. We get the benefit of the scale of not only Databricks, but also AWS in combination. Since we've adopted Databricks, so we've seen $2 million savings in our infrastructure costs and our data processing infrastructure. We've also seen a 5x improvement in the ability to deliver new pipelines and new integrations. No client has ever asked for an agent for AI. What they really want is the outcome that comes from that. And I think that's the way Addepar thinks about it. That's the way Databricks thinks about it. I'm really excited by that. And I'm really excited to bring that to our clients.